In this video, we will see how to use Format Painter in Excel sheet. Okay, this is my Excel sheet. Format Painter means just select the first data, okay, and click on the Format Painter and click any cell. Just click it. You get here the format of this table is paste here. Okay, when you select it's by Format Painter. Okay, now I want to this color, blue color on this heading color. I want to this table also. Just select this heading, click on the Format Painter and just click the on first cell. That's it. You get the same color here by Format Painter using. Second, in this step, when you select, click on that and click here. The Format Painter is gone. Only one time you can use it. If you want to use, if you have a lots of data, you want to same Format Painter use. If I want to use the same data, I want to use same here again formats. So I want to again copy paste, either copy paste this one and either use this again the Format Painter and just click on here. There is a one more option. When you select the data, double click on Format Painter. Okay, when you select the data, double click on Format Painter and just click here. You get the Format Painter. Again click here, again click here, again click here. Anywhere where you want, you get the format. Okay, if you want to remove this Format Painter, you can see here in my cursor the Format Painter show. I want to remove this, just click on the accept button. That's it, the Format Painter is removed. If you want to again copy the format, then you have to again select the data and click on the Format Painter. Hope you understand. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel if you like this.